Okay, some of these problems I know we skipped over in class, so I'm just going to go through the answers here. First one should be 10, just multiplying the 2 and the 5, x to the 5th, y to the 6th. You add exponents. Next one, a to the 12. When you raise a power to a power, you multiply. 2 to the 4th is 16, and then b to the 5 times 4, b to the 20th. So for the next one, you'll want to get rid of the negative exponent. So it's going to be x to the positive 5 when it moves up to the numerator, y to the 4th, and then you can simplify. X to the 7, y to the 4. For j, you could go ahead and raise everybody inside to the 5th power. So 2 to the 5th, x to the 15th, y to the 10, multiply powers, z to the 15, and then 2 to the 5th, it would be 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. All of the powers are positive, so you don't have to do anything beyond this. Letter F, again, raise everybody to the 5th power, so 3 to the 5th, x to the 3rd to the 5th, multiply, y to the 4 to the 5th. All right, and then 3 to the 5th, you can either do it in your head, or if you want to use your calculator, you've got the button on there to go ahead and raise it to a power. So 3 raised to the 5th power, 243. And again, all of the powers are positive. There aren't multiple x's or multiple y's in the problem, so that's where you would be done. 4 to the negative 2 would be 1 over 4 squared, and then 4 squared is 16. For the next one, letter G, I can multiply negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Whoops, hold up. There is a power attached. I missed that. So the first thing I want to do is figure out what's negative 3 to the 3rd power. So negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Z to the, and again, multiply, times 2, z to the 3rd. 3 to the negative 3 is negative 27. Z to the 6 times 2, z to the 3rd. You come up with negative 54. Z, and then you've got 6 and then 3 more, so that would be z to the 9th power. The power is positive, so again, there's nothing more that you can do with that problem. Letter L, on top, y to the 7 times y to the 0 is just y to the 7th over y to the 9th. Okay, you can subtract and go to the side that with the bigger number, so in this case it would be 1 over y squared, or you could do y to the 7 minus 9, which is y to the minus 2, and that's 1 over y squared. Letter H, you can take 8 and raise it to the 2/3 power. A to the, and again, you're going to multiply here, so this is 12/3 power, and b to the 6 over 6. The number 8 to the 2/3 power is the cube root of 8 squared. When you rewrite that fractional exponent, reduce the fraction on a to the 12/3 and b to the 6 over 6. So cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 squared, whoops, 2 squared is 4. So we've got a squared to the a to the 4th power b, and then your final answer 4, a to the 4th, b to the 1, or just b. For letter M, everybody inside raised to the negative 2 power. So again, multiply the powers together. 5 to the negative 2 I don't multiply the 5 times the negative 2. That's a power. The power on 5 is 1, so 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. S to the 2, t to the negative 2. Anything with a negative exponent, we're going to swap sides. T to the 8th has a positive exponent, so it's going to stick or not move. And s squared on the bottom has a positive exponent, so it's going to stick. Everybody else is going to swap sides. So f to the minus 2 becomes f to the 2 on top. S to the minus 4, cross the line, change the sign. S to the positive 4. T to the minus 2, move it up. T squared. And then, again, simplify, condense. So we've got 5 squared is 25. T to the 8 times t to the 2. Multiply like bases, add the exponents. And on the bottom, again, multiply like bases, add the exponents.